In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze Instagram through Claude using Windsor AI. By the end, you'll have Instagram insights flowing into Claude so you can ask natural language questions and get clear, actionable answers. Start by heading to windsor.ai and opening the onboarding app. On the integration screen, search for Instagram Insights. When it appears, select it, then connect your Instagram account. For most business or creator profiles, Insights access requires that your Instagram is linked to a Facebook page and that you have the right permissions, so make sure you're an admin or have sufficient access before proceeding. When prompted, choose how you want to authorize, via Instagram or via Facebook. Either route is fine. Pick the one that matches how your account is set up. Approve the requested permissions so Windsor can read your metrics. These are read-only, and you can revoke access at any time in your account settings. Next, select the Instagram accounts you want to analyze and click Next to continue. You'll land on Data Destinations. In the search bar, type Claude and select it as your destination. If this is your first time, you'll be asked to install the Windsor.ai connector for Claude. Click to install, then connect to Claude. When the consent screen appears, allow access so Windsor and Claude can communicate securely, and then finish the setup. Now, configure your data. Choose the date range that matches your analysis window, recent weeks for quick trends or a longer period for seasonality. Pick your data source. If you have multiple connections, then select the fields you want. A good starting set includes impressions, reach, engagement, clicks, follower growth, and post-level or reel-level metrics like likes, comments, saves, and video plays. Keep it focused at first. You can always add more fields later to refine your questions. That's it. With Windsor connected to Claude and your field selected, you're ready to explore your Instagram performance conversationally. Ask about top performing posts, week-over-week changes, or which content formats drive the most engagement, and iterate from there to uncover deeper insights.